Satnam. I want to do a meditation for the heart today in this portion of our body. Our heart is our everything and is our center. Many traditions believe that we have an upper heart as well, like a pink jewel. We also have our green chakra, our energy chakra, and then some traditions believe there's a third heart, which is the tree of life, and it's located in this part of the body. So I want to invite you to drop into whichever presents to you first thing that comes to mind. Just kind of drop in and feel one of your three hearts. I want to do the Ramadasa meditation. It is a Kundalini meditation, and it is to be the sum of total healing. It is a beautiful mantra. There's so many beautiful artists that play it, so I'm gonna use one today and I'll share it, but if you don't resonate with it, you can just Google Ramadasa and so much will come, and the most beautiful ones. We're gonna do 3 minutes. Today, I encourage you to do 11. This is one of the meditations you could do for 40 days. I also encourage you to shower with this mantra. I did it for many years. Shower at night. When you shower at night and you listen to this mantra, I did it for many years, and it helped me tremendously, changed my frequency. My husband also did it for many years, or I made him, or anyone in my household that would shower at night would listen to this mantra. And it's the potent combination between water, the element of water, the mantra, and then the end of the day energetically bathing yourself with the water and the mantra at night. So I super highly recommend it. It's a really beautiful practice. What else? So we're gonna do 3 minutes. Yeah, and then we will do a mudra today. We're gonna put our hands next to our shoulders. You're gonna relax the arms and relax the elbows, and just open your hands to receive. You're gonna close your eyes, straighten your spine, tuck your chin down a little bit, close your eyes, gently curl them up and in, focusing on your pituitary gland, bringing the energy up through the third eye to release to the crown of your head. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Take a deep conscious inhale, which means air all the way to the belly, all the way to the base of the spine, all the way to the root chakra. Inflate your belly like a balloon, your lungs, your upper chest. Inhale more. Audible through the mouth, exhale. The mantra is Ramadasa. Sa, se, so, hum. If you know it and you're in a space where you can chant it, I invite you to chant it out loud. If you can't, mentally works well as well. I'm gonna keep it mentally for today's recording. Allow yourself to bath in this vibration. Allow this mantra to open up all 3 of your hearts, welcoming your soul, coming to a place of soul-centeredness and trust, your truth, your Satnam. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Focus your eye on your third eye on your forehead. slowly and gently. Keep your hands up. Gently bring your attention to your palms. Do they feel heavy? Can you feel the energy? Do they have a color? Do they have a feeling? Do they have a sentiment? Do they have anything that you wish to release? Let it come out through the front. Let it come out through the palms of your hands, up the ethers. Feel how it comes out of your body. Let it release. A few more minutes here. Your hands feel warm. Are they tingling? Connect with these sensations. Your body's talking to you. Listen. Listen with love. What is your body saying? Does it need something from you? Gently bring the palms of your hands full of energy, light, and love and place them on your chest. On your heart, you can place one on top of the other. Whatever feels good to you. I think I lost you due to internet. Gently bring your hands and place them against your heart. Feel the energy. Feel the pulse. Allow your heart to clear your throat, your arms, your lungs. Feel the energy dissipating, moving through, clearing, washing you, bathing you in white light. If you need to, and gently bring your right hand to your shoulder and swipe out 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and then left hand on your right shoulder. 1, 2, and 3. Shake your hands and your arms. Good job. I hope this serves you. I really recommend it for 11 minutes. It's a beautiful practice, the Ramadasa mantra, in the shower. And please share how it goes. I would love to hear it, and make your significant others and your lovers do it too, because it beneficiates everyone. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope you have a beautiful week, and I hope to see you tomorrow.